Long-shot presidential candidate Vivek Ramaswamy dropped out of the race on Monday, but with it came a silver lining. While he was campaigning for the Republican nomination in Iowa, where he came in a distant fourth, and across the country this past year, his fortune ticked up by over $100 million. Ramaswamy emerges from his campaign worth an estimated $960 million, up from around $840 million last February, when he announced he was running for office. That $120 million gain more than makes up for the $17 million he put into his campaign in the first 9 months of 2023, $1.8 million in cash, and $15.25 million booked as loans, according to his filings with the Federal Election Commission. Ramaswamy's camp says he's even richer, worth at least $1 billion. How much Ramaswamy spent on the race in the last quarter and in early 2024 has not yet been published, though 2 weeks ago, he sold $33 million of shares in Roivant Sciences, his largest asset, and told news site Axios that he planned to use some of the proceeds to make a significant investment in his campaign. Even if he spent it all, he'd still be ahead. The publicly traded drug development firm that Ramaswamy founded in 2014 and led as CEO until 2021 closed trading at $10.86 per share on Tuesday, up 25% from its price on February 21, 2023, the day Ramaswamy declared his presidential candidacy. Ramaswamy holds a 6.4% stake in the company that is worth $565 million. Sentiment around Roivant's prospects appears to be positive. The stock hit an all-time high of $13.19 on September 27, and closed the year up 42%. 11 of Roivant's 12 stock analysts maintain a buy rating on the stock, per CNN, with a median forecast price of $15.50. Roivant sold one of its subsidiaries, an inflammatory bowel drug called Televant, for $7.1 billion in December to pharma giant Roche. Then there is Strive Asset Management, the anti-woke investment company that sells exchange-traded funds to retail and institutional investors. Ramaswamy created Strive in 2022, after stepping down as Roivant CEO and publishing his bestseller Woke, Inc. He resigned as Strive's executive chairman after launching his campaign, though remains its controlling shareholder. Ramaswamy's majority stake in Strive is worth an estimated $150 million, based on the company's last financing round in November 2022, when investors like Bill Ackman, who is now backing Democratic Congressman Dean Phillips, and Peter Thiel valued Strive at around $300 million, according to Anson Frericks, Strive's co-founder, and Ramaswamy's high school friend. Strive will probably be raising another round at some point, Frericks told Forbes in August. It all just depends on how the business continues to grow. Strive did not respond to a question Tuesday about its financing plans. During Ramaswamy's campaign, Strive more than doubled its assets under management, from around $500 million in early 2023 to over $1.1 billion as of this week.